students. In your division chapter, again some divisions remain. See this division 800 divided to how much? Here 800 divided 2. Then you this 2 divided by this number 800. Then first you divide this 100 place number. 2 4 are 8. 0, then 1 0 you take here 10 place number, then here 2 into 0 means here 0. Again this unit place number 0 you take here into 0. 0 multiply this 0 means here 800 divided 2 is equal to answer 400. See here the dividend is 800 and divisor is 2. This 800 dividend and this 2 divisor. Let us divide 800 by 2. Firstly you divide 800 by 2. Then 4 times 2 is 8. Means we write here 4 in the 100 place of the quotient. And 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then now let us divide 0 tens by 2. 0 tens, here 0 tens by 2. And 0 divided by any number is here 0. Then let us write 0 in the 10 place of this quotient. Then in quotient place you write here 10 place of this number 0. If while dividing 800 divided 2, we do not put zeros in the tens and unit places, the quotient could be written by mistake as 40 or even 4 instead of this 400. Remember, while dividing, in case of a number is divided 0 times, write the 0 in the correct place in the quotient. While dividing, in case of this number is divided by 0 times, then write the 0 in the correct place in this quotient here. Here again some divisions given. You see this 500. The second one 500 divided 5. Then this 5 divided by this number 500. See here, this 5 ones are 5. Then here 550. Then you take here 10 place number 0 means 5 into 0, 0. Then again you take here unit place number 0. 5 into 0 is equal to 0. Then answer is here 100. Means 500 divided 5 is equal to answer 100. Next one, see. In homework you complete this. 900 divided 6. Fourth one 120 divided 6. Fifth one 300 divided 3. Then next, see page number 82 in your textbook. Word problems. If 148 marbles were distributed giving 4 to each child, then how many children were given marbles? Here 148 marbles this distributed giving 4 each child, and then how many children were given marbles here? 4 divided by this number 148. Then you divide here directly 2 numbers, then you write here 0. 4 3s are 12. Then here 2 remain, then you take this unit place number here 28. 4 7s are 28. Then answer is here 37. Then you see this exercise in your textbook page number 82. One by one see this first word problem. Solve the problems given below. First one. If 126 these peppermint sweets are divided equally between 9 children, how many sweets will each child get? Here giving only solutions. In homework you complete this. Write one by one this word problem and below write solution. Word problems. First one. 126 peppermint sweets are divided equally among these between 9 children. Means 126 divided 9. 9 divided by this number 126. You divide here 2 number directly. One number is less here. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 with number. Therefore 9 ones are 9 right here. 12 1 minus 9 means here 3, then unit place number you take here 6, then number is here 36, then 9 4s are 36. Then answer is here 14. How many sweets will each child get? Then you write answer. Each child get 14 sweets. 14 sweets. Then second one, see. In a field, if 987 saplings are planted in 7 rows with an equal number of seedlings in each row, how many seedlings are planted in each row? See second one, 987 divided here 7 rows, then 7 divided by this number 987. Then you divide here one number, 7 ones are 7, 9 minus 7 2, then you need 10 place number you take here 28, 7 4s are 28, again this number you take here 7, 7 ones are 7. 148 means how many seedlings are planted in each row? In each row here planted 141 seedlings. 141 seedlings planted in each row. In each row how many seedlings there? 141. Then third one, see. If a hostel has 132 students with 3 students in one room, in how many rooms are there studying this? Staying here. How many students here? 132 and here 3 students in one room. 132 divided 3. Then here 3 0. 3 4s are 12. 0. Then you take 3 minus 2 1. This 2 here. 3 4s are 12. Answer is here 44. Then how many rooms are the students staying here? How many rooms are here? 44 rooms are the students staying. How many rooms here? 44 rooms. Then fourth one, see. How many buckets can be made from these 340 flowers with 8 flowers in each bucket? Then how many flowers will be left here? Then fourth one, see. 340 divided 8 means 8 divided by this number 340. Here 8 4s are 32. Then 4 minus 2 2 0. Then again 8 2s are 16. Here remainder remain. Here 10 minus 6 4 here 0. Means here how many flowers will be left over? Means remainder here 4. Then answer is here 4 flowers left over. Remaining flowers this 4 flowers. Then again one example remain. If we put these 6 baskets in one packet, how many packets can be made from these 600 biscuits? Fifth one, 600 divided 6. 6 divided by this number 600. 6 ones are 6. 0. Then you take here 0. Then you this 0 right here. When this 0 right here, then this here also 0 right here. Means here answer is 100. Means here if we put 6 baskets in one packet, how many packets can be made from 600 biscuits? How many packets here made from this 100 packets? How many packets here? 100 packets. Then here your this division chapter completed, word problems also completed. Then in homework you complete this exercise page number 81 and page number 82.